Hi, my name is Amor from the Netherlands, and here you see a picture of my mother and me because she's the reason I made EasyLetter my submission for the Bolt Hackathon. Because my mother, as an Indonesian immigrant here in the Netherlands, sometimes doesn't fully understand the letters she receives from a company or government, she then panics, calls me up to come directly, but sometimes I cannot come as soon as possible. This sometimes causes a little bit of frustration between the both of us. So what EasyLetter tried to solve is that my mother can understand a letter without the help of anyone. Because with just a photo of your document, EasyLetter can use AI to analyze it. It will give you a summary, clear action point, and even a voice explaining you what to do. All this in simple and comforting words in her language of choice. Now let's go right to the demo. The site will start with an animation of the problem I just described to create awareness about this problem and also show that we can use AI for social good. When you want to start, you can click on Get Started. A language model will appear. My mother, for example, would choose Indonesian, but for this demo, we'll choose English. Privacy is important for me, so my mother's data doesn't get sent to the services of the AI. So I encourage users to mark their sensitive information with pen or paper. And I also try to do all the OCR locally with Tesseract, and I build in an extra layer of privacy, which also happens locally. And the rest of the steps you already know. You upload a file, the AI does its thing, and you get the result you want. So now we can go to the upload step. You can upload a file from your device or use maybe some of these sample documents I added. This is a text letter, but I think the most nice thing to do is take a picture directly. For example, this letter from my mother's apartment, who just built new homes and asked my mother to see them. And then you can start subscribing. For the AI, I use the OpenAI LLMs to transform the text into simple, culturally adapted summaries and action points. Additionally, the audio narration is specifically prompted to be comforting and reassuring, rather than alarming. So here's the result. So here you can read a summary, where you can see that this is a document for residents to come and see the new homes. You can also see the action points here, what my mother needs to do, and that's visit the new homes. For the audio, the AI creates a comforting narration from the simplified content. Then I use 11 Labs, where I personally pick reassuring voice for each language. They had a lot of choice, very cool. Here's a sample of the last chunk of this audio narration.
Summary: this is a great opportunity for you to explore the new homes. We encourage you to attend and enjoy this experience. Remember, your assigned time is key, so mark your calendar.
Really cool, right? So we finished with a complete overview with also some technical details. When you want to read about that, you can also share your result with maybe some relatives who need to know. And this is a demo. It also works perfectly on desktop. You can check that out. And I hope you like it just as my mom did.